Tube mill machine used for producing straight seam welded pipes in industries such as metallurgy, construction, transportation, and vehicle manufacturing. Using steel strip as the raw material, it forms the required round, square, rectangular, or special shaped pipes through cold roll forming and high frequency welding. Decoiler, used to support the steel coil and provide raw material for the production line. Maximum load capacity is 5,000 kilograms. Spiral accumulator, designed to receive and store steel strips while continuously supplying material to the forming mill. Forming and sizing mill. The forming process adopts a bottom-line horizontal method, and the rolls use a double radius pass design. The main unit consists of 3 sections: the forming section, welding section, and sizing section. Computer-controlled flying saw. The saw carriage synchronizes with the high-speed main unit through speed calculation before performing precise length cutting. Automatic pipe unloading rack. Transports the finished pipes cut by the flying saw. The pipes are conveyed via rollers to the discharge position for collection and packaging. Advantages of the production process. King reel tube mills adopt advanced roll forming technology, offering stable operation and convenient maintenance. Their structural design and precision meet industry-leading standards. We welcome you to choose King Reel's customized tube mill solutions. Next, please enjoy the fully automatic production process of the King Reel tube mill.